Nice beginning at all. Okay, good stream, let's just get into it. I don't know why I started streaming before the loading screen, so... Meanwhile, you can just look, watch, and, you know, see me. So... There's my fedora. Oh. The loading game. Yum, 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 yum. Oh! Okay, one thing I forgot. Let's make the sound better. I'll be right with you, okay? Okay, then I need to plug these things in, and I just need to modify something really quick. Really quick, okay? And we're back. Okay. So as you can see here, we are still building on our base. I just know it's going to be awesome. Because look, just look at this. It just started with underwater, and it took a long time to actually make. But now we have gotten a lot more stuff, more levels, and upgraded a lot more, and more resources, and now it's just a lot easier, because now you're not in the deep waters like the house right there. Meaning, well, it's awesome. Oh, I didn't notice. Why is my guy getting so hot? Does that help? No. No. Okay, I have a better idea. I'll just need to wait till he actually gets hotter than that. Hold on, I got a wrench. Why am I not using it? Hold on. Look, it's a lot quicker. What? Don't have enough of wood? I will just get more. Shouldn't be that hard to get more wood. It's right here. Oh. Okay. This is taking. Oh, now I should have enough of it. More than enough. Okay, there you go. Yes. Just what I want. So I'm going to make like a room up here as well. So it's just. Ooh, yeah. That'll be a cool idea. No. Thinking intensified. Perhaps. Yes. Okay. Let's take these off. Put wood pillars instead. Like that. Okay. Same on the side. Yes. Nice.
And now let's have the support on as well.
It's on the building. I know that. What type? Used for bases. What do you need a pole for? Can you make flags? That would be awesome. Put the Faroese flag on our base. Hey, wouldn't support you. Let's just make 10. Because you can. Look at all the angles. Just weird. There you go. Nicely done. Then up here, you make a room. Isn't that interesting? If you make like a room up here instead.
Let's
See. There you go. Wood grain. What is this? Salt. Mix plant fibers into the dirt to gain toughness. Allow some time to dry. Okay. I'm not really sure why. It'll be like a way to get up. Will this be able to hold?